Welcome back to Auto Action. The 2025 Crown sedan instead draws attention from prospective buyers with its distinctively tall style and elevated suspension. Depending on your taste, its style is either weird or rather cool, and its higher ride height is meant to appeal to the specific market of buyers who desire the towering posture of an SUV but the traditional sedan body. Consider the Crown to be the station wagon equivalent of the Subaru Outback sedan. Once inside, you'll discover a luxurious cabin with high-end materials and a tasteful design that wouldn't appear out of place in a Lexus. In our highway fuel economy testing, the 236 horsepower power plant used in the majority of Crown models impressed us with 42 miles per gallon. All Crowns are hybrid vehicles. Opt for the top-spec Platinum trim instead, which replaces the standard 340 horsepower hybrid system with a turbocharged 4-cylinder to unlock the full potential of the Crown. Although it uses less gasoline, it moves much faster. For 2025, the Crown range will include a dark nightshade trim that replaces the car's typical chrome exterior trim pieces with black highlights. There are just two color options for the Crown Nightshade: Storm Cloud, a melancholic blue-gray, and black. Both come with matte black 21-inch wheels and a black leather interior. Heated steering wheel and front seats with ventilation are now standard on other models in the lineup. A head-up display is added to the top-tier Platinum model. Depending on the trim and extras, the 2025 Toyota Crown can cost anywhere from $42,535 to $56,085 in price. The experience offered by all four of the Crown's trim levels is more luxurious than that of Toyota's previous four-door models. The more potent hybrid max powertrain, available only on the top-tier Platinum trim, is the most exciting option, and our recommendation is to go for it. Because of its higher equipment level, the Platinum is also a strong competitor for other mid-size luxury vehicles, such as the Lexus ES, which is the car's corporate cousin.